Welcome to week 3 in the garden of language and ideas, GCSE in some ways. First couple of weeks, first week we looked at personification, the lonely chair. How can a chair be lonely? You're bound to be into metaphor there. So personify things, give inanimate objects human feelings and ideas and ambitions, etc. The angry sea crashing against the shore. Sea can't be angry. So you're getting into metaphor there. And then we looked at simile, and we then looked at metaphor. Simile, something that's like something, something that's as something, as if it's something else. And metaphor, obviously, when something's not literally true. If it's literal, fine. If it's figurative, then it becomes a metaphor. Great way of writing. This week we're going to be looking at adjectives and adverbs. Now, if I'm talking to an adult learner, we can be embarrassed, I think, sometimes about not knowing what we think we ought to know. So something I wanted to say in this week 3 session with you is let's put some of those fears and concerns about not knowing what we think we ought to know in a box over here with the lid on it. That's all in the past. It's okay to relearn what you might need to know. It's called learning. Pen, noun, it's a thing. Blue is an adjective because it describes the noun. Blue pen, adjective, noun. Okay? Secondly and lastly, he came in the room quickly. Quickly is the adverb because it describes how he came in the room. So what we've just learned is adverb, adjective and noun. That can settle now, but it is what we need to know. So here's a technique to make your writing so descriptive, everyone's going to think you're a published author. It's called TDT. All you've got to remember is TDT. Here's the way it works. Take a simple sentence. The boy crossed the road. Subject, verb, object. So, I want from you, please, triple, double, triple. The something, something, something boy, somethingly and somethingly cross the something, something, something road. Bit of brain gym here, but I want 3 adjectives, 2 adverbs, and then 3 adjectives again. Here's an example that I'm going to ask you to try it for yourself. The young, fair-haired birthday boy slowly and carefully crossed the wet, slippery, dangerous road. And just compare that to the boy crossed the road. It's a bit like looking at something through a dirty lens that's out of focus. It's a random boy vaguely crossing some road somewhere or other somehow. I don't know very much, but if I know it's a fair-haired birthday boy carefully and slowly crossing a very particular kind of wet, slippery, dangerous road, triple, double, triple, I know so much more. You've suddenly painted a picture with words. You're an artist. I can see so much now. I've cleaned the lens. I've put it into focus. Take another simple sentence and then I'll let you do one on your own. The car went round the bend. The red, rusty Italian car went slowly and carefully round the dangerous, slippery mountain bend. Whatever it is you want to say, apply triple, double, triple, and suddenly you're writing like a novelist. So here's what I want you to try and do, please, is come up with any simple sentence at all of something doing something, something doing something, and then apply 3 adjectives, 2 adverbs, and then another 3 adjectives. And suddenly you're writing like a novelist. In the channel, which hopefully you've pressed subscribe and like, there's comments underneath. Why don't we all share with each other the TDT being put into practice, and then there's a whole tribe of us out there writing like novelists. See you next week.